Today we are going to make buckwheat pancakes, and for that of course we will need buckwheat. So I've got a bulk pack here. I usually just dump them in a coffee can at the end of the can. 1.5 cups of buckwheat. We're doing it gluten free, so we're going to make oat flour out of rolled oats. So if I put 2 cups of rolled oats in the blender, it should make 1.5 cups of rolled oats. We'll also need 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder and baking soda. You buy it bulk, organic, at the health food store. And 1/4 tablespoon of salt. That's the dry ingredients. For wet, we're going to do homemade soy milk. You could, there's some solids. You could use a box of a quart of store-bought soy milk. We use this with the soy milk maker. Any nut milk would do. We're also going to put 3 very ripe spotty bananas in and give it a whirl. So since we don't have any sweetener, we could put 1/4 cup of sugar in, but I'm just going to put some splashes of maple syrup. If you had store-bought milk, even the unflavored stuff is sweetened, so that wouldn't require any sweeteners. We've got a 1 cup measuring cup, and we'll just give it a dip and make 2 pancakes out of that. Or 3. On our griddle, it's on almost all the way high, so it's at between 350 and 400. First ones are for the kids. We're going to put chocolate chips in them, semi-sweet. Usually about between 6 and 8 per pancake. Even though we don't have wheat flour, you can see we're still getting bubblies to tell us when it's might be time to flip it. Beautiful flapjacks. And then for our pancakes, we are going to have blueberries for me and Grandma. And we are using frozen blueberries because it's middle of February in Montana. For these I try to work in about 5 in each cake. The more liquid, the flatter these guys lay. So if you didn't like what you came up with from the first one, put more or less milk in it. If it's not enough for your troop, double the recipe. Be leery. We're also making some bacon. James really likes this. He's the only one who eats it anymore. How's the pancake so far?
I haven't had any yet.
How come?
Because Ariel was trying to shake my hand.
Apparently yours is pretty good. You're on it. Chocolate chip or blueberry?
Blueberry.
Chocolate chip or blueberry? Chocolate, I know. Your bacon is holding on pretty good. So it looks like we got about 12 of each chocolate chip and 12 blueberries. And there'll probably be none left over. Well, maybe some. We'll put them in a bag put them in the toaster for breakfast tomorrow, since we're having breakfast for dinner. Thanks for watching.